Now I only make chicken pie like this. In a slow cooker still turned off, start by adding 1 chicken breast chopped into strips. Also add 1 medium onion chopped into thin strips, half a green bell pepper chopped into strips, half a yellow bell pepper and half a red bell pepper also chopped into strips. Now add 3 crushed garlic cloves, parsley to taste, 1 teaspoon of sweet paprika, 1 pinch of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of chicken seasoning mix, 1 generous drizzle of olive oil, the juice of half a lime. Turn on the cooker and let it all cook for 15 minutes. If you've made it here, that means you're enjoying our recipe. So, click the share button and share this video with all your friends. It won't cost you anything, but for us, it will make all the difference. Meanwhile, line the bottom of a 22 centimeter diameter baking pan with tortilla wraps, just like this. Leave us a comment with the name of the city from which you're watching this. I'd like to give you a shout out and thank you for sharing this recipe. Next, add 150 grams of grated cheddar cheese, the chicken we prepared earlier, and 90 grams of Doritos. Top them with another 150 grams of grated cheddar cheese. Add 1 green chili pepper chopped into round slices. Top it all with another tortilla wrap and fold the edges, just like this. Take this baking pan to a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius, 350 degrees Fahrenheit, and bake for 25 minutes. But keep an eye out. Baking time may vary depending on the power of your oven. This is the right point. That recipe is ready. You may now get a slice and enjoy it. I hope you like this recipe. Now, I'll head to the comment section and leave a heart to everyone who left the name of their city. See you next recipe. Bye-bye.